jump on the floor and it's getting nasty. Yeah. He ain't keeping his hands up off my ass.
So today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a closure if you've over bleached the knots. So if you'd like to see how I fix this closure, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then this is the closure. It's a 4x4 closure and it's 12 inches long. He's looking real thin, honestly and truly, because you can see all those gaps. You feel me? Or it probably will be better for me to. You probably won't even see, but you can probably see it. You probably can't see it, but it's like a bunch of gaps in it right here, in my opinion. But I'm gonna bleach the knots on this closure, and then we're gonna go on to the next step. So if you like to see how I bleach the knots, stay tuned, baby. So I've pinned my closure onto my mannequin. I have 4 pins, T-pins inside of my closure to hold it down so I can apply the bleach to bleach the knots. And I didn't do it, but I would recommend to wet your hair down with water so that if you do get the bleach on your hair, it could slow down the processing process so it won't get as light as it could, you know. So I'm going to be using my Salon Care Prism Lights powder lightener, and this is in the blue, and I'm going to mix that with my Salon Care 40 volume cream developer. So I'm going to pour some of that into there. I'm going to pour some of my cream developer in here, but not too much because we want to keep the consistency to be pasty like. So that should be enough. Hopefully that's not too much. I'm going to mix it up together. And it's always best to just add more as you go. So this is a good consistency, but we need to add a little more. I'm going to add a little more because this is still too thick. And so now that we have that completely mixed together, we're just going to lightly spread this over the top of the closure. We're not going to press it in or apply any pressure. We're just going to apply it lightly over it. So this is the hair after I rinsed it out. I left the bleach on the hair for 30 minutes. I don't know if I left it on there too long, but we're going to fix this in a really simple step. Yeah, we definitely just gotta fix that. It's really bad in the front, but she is cute, okay? I'm going to be using this mascara wand in this vegan semi-permanent hair color. This is in the color Jet Black. And we're just going to brush that throughout the strands of hair that got bleach on them. During this step, you have to be really careful not to get the hair color onto the lace so that you won't have to re-bleach your knots again.
After you rinse that out, after it's been in for about 30 minutes, this is what the finished result looks like. Thank you, Jewel, so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to thumbs up and make sure you guys comment and subscribe. Bye.